These are the 3 E-shaft lobes, and unlike our 4 rotor, which has tapers, this has just splines. Pick this up. So this should also coincide that this is top dead center. So it'll be 1 of these and 2 of these. Now I want to show you, this is my biggest concern. I am actually not as worried as you think about that because it's a dry sump system. This is very, very backwards. I have to make sure that the ports line up with the port underneath it. This up and rotate it 180 degrees. It's almost like trust the process.